In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Throne and Liberty not opening. Now, what you want to do is first you want to right click on it. From in here, you want to head to Properties, Installed Files, and Verify Integrity of Game Files. Now, after this is done, what you want to do is you want to press Browse right here. Head over to TL, Binaries, Windows 64 or Windows 32 if you have that one. And from in here, you want to find tl.exe. Right click on this one, go to Properties, Compatibility, and activate these two. Press Apply and press OK, and then try and launch the game. If this still doesn't work, what you can do is come down here and search for Windows Update and check if you have a Windows update that's causing you to not be able to open the game. After that, if none of this works, what you can do is you can come to Throne and Liberty, and from in here, go to General. In here, type -dx11 and then close it down and try and launch the game. Now, any of these should hopefully help fix the issue. If they did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.